Hi guys, hope you're well. I quickly wanted to show you how to add Instagram to your business card. So basically there are so many ways to do it, but the easiest way is to literally either go and add your your handle there, or alternatively you can use a QR code. The easiest way I would suggest doing it is to literally take the URL and go and create a QR code in Bitly. I've done this a few times before, so I'm just gonna show you some screenshots. So Google Bitly, then when you logged in you go to create new, and then what will show create new and QR code or link. You click on QR code, you add in your URL, and this should automatically, the title should automatically pull through, and then you just click on design code. Once your code has been designed, you can download it, so it'll pop up, you can download it, and then it will appear like this. Alright, so you'll get like an SVG, and you can open that in Illustrator, or you can just download PNG and drag and drop that in. Yeah, so you don't actually have to keep, usually they come with like, I'm going to show you quickly, they come with like a white background, you don't have to keep it. So I've actually just copied this part, and then I'm going to make it blue and put it here. The most important part of a QR code is for you to ensure that it is the right size. So if you've made it too small, it won't be able to work correctly, and that's kind of what your biggest challenge is. So make sure you give it enough space to do the job. Okay, we'll quickly check it just now. I mean, you can't say that you have to use your phone, but you know, always check it at 100%. So let's say that's the way you're going to put it in, which is, you know, take your phone. My phone with its very weird spotties and whatnot. And what you need to do is, so right now you can see it's 200%. You want to zoom out to 100%, and then you know, check if it works. Mine works, so it's cool. So then you can just save it, and that's all there is to it. Thanks guys.